Hi, third grade. Welcome to lesson number 8. So for today's lesson, again, you're going to need those 5 objects and the 2 sticks that we had last time. So remember, I used 5 cups and I used some pencils, but today I'm going to use my mallets. Also, you're going to need something to write on and something to write with. So I'm going to use my whiteboard. You are welcome to use a whiteboard at home or a piece of paper, anything that I can see when you take a picture of it in Seesaw. So go gather those things up now, and I will wait right here. Press pause, and then play when you come back. Great, nice to have you back. So we are going to start with a little bit of movement today, a little bit of a dance. I'm going to see if you remember how to do this heel and toe polka. So we started the dance just with our hands. So let's see if we remember how to do it. Whoops. Wrong song. Ready? Here we go. Let's do it again. Hey, good. So you remembered some of it. Don't forget that when we get to that part with the eighth notes and quarter notes, do, day, do, that's your job to make that up using claps, snaps, and pats. Okay, so anything you want to do there, I may not do anything. So you'll have to be in charge of that when it gets there. So I'm going to make myself big, and let's try it a couple more times before we make it more interesting. Go! We're going to put it. Good job. And spin. Here we go again. And okay, so now you have a choice. You can either continue to do that sitting down like we just did, or if you want to stand up and do it, you only need a little bit of space, really not much more than you have right now, to do it as a standing dance. So your choice. I'm going to stand up, so meet me up there if you want to do that. And I'm going to whip so you can see all of me, my feet, and almost my head. So hold on. It's always a trick to try to get all of me in here. Ah, there we go. Hello. So we're going to start with our left foot or your left hand, either one. Here we go. Step together, step together. Step together, step together. Step together, step together, right. Step together, step together. And stop. Hey, did you notice that time I didn't turn around? Because here's something new I'm going to add. I would like you to jump and face that wall in your house. Now you're going to jump and face the back. Now you're going to jump and face that way. And now, back to me. All right, so let's see if we can do that. I'll tell you when to add that into our song. Here we go. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Heel, toe, heel, toe. And you walk, 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 walk. Jump and turn. Left foot, heel, toe, heel, toe. Right foot, heel, toe, heel, toe. And a walk, 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 walk. Jump and turn to the back. Left foot, heel, toe. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Walk, 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 walk. Jump and turn this way now. Left, left, right, jump and turn. One more time. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Oh, that was so much fun. Hey, if you want to keep doing it, go ahead and replay it. Maybe next time we'll get to do the whole dance. That was really fun. All right, my friends, so we're going to go back to our pitch ladder. And I'm going to skip that, and we're just going to go right on to, sorry about that, right on to our xylophone. And I'm going to make this look like we had before by taking some things off. So remember we had that pattern of 3s and 2s, that group of 3 that had lo and mi in it, and that group of 2 that was so and la. And anytime you have a group of 2, it's going to be so and la, and anytime you have a group of 3, it's going to have that lo and that mi in it. All right, so now it's time to take out your 5 objects. Oh, too far, Mr. Weller, now you can't see my face. All right, so I got 1, 2, now you can't see my objects. 3, 4, 5. Hold, please. There we go. And, perfect. I got my group of 3, and I got my group of 2. Take out your sticks. I'm going to start down here. Ooh, let's do a little pattern. My turn, your turn. Do, re, mi. I'm sorry, you erased that. That was wrong. I'm going to try a different pattern. So, la, mi, mi, lo, lo, lo. And since you don't have something that makes sound, you've got to use your voice, because then you'll be able to hear what it's going to sound like when you play it on your virtual xylophone later on. Here I go, a couple more patterns. Lo, mi, so, la, la, so, mi, mi, so, mi, mi, lo, lo, lo. Great. So you keep your objects there. I'm just going to move mine out of the way so that I can have a real instrument in front of me. And we're going to look at our building blocks from last time. So, there we go. So let's just go through these really quick. You did a wonderful job of practicing those on a seesaw last time with that virtual xylophone. So let's just quick practice them again with your 5 objects to get that muscle memory going, and that'll be easier for you when you go play it for real on the virtual xylophone. So here's the purple one first. I'm going to go mi, so, la, so. Your turn. Here's the orange one. So, la, so, mi. How about yellow? So, lo. And then green. Lo, mi, so. Hey, nice practicing on that. Good work. All right, now I want you to choose one of those 4 blocks to make your favorite one, and you're going to play that favorite one 4 times in a row. So again, singing and tapping is really going to be your best job right now, and then later on we'll transfer it to our virtual xylophone. All right, so take your 5 objects, pick your favorite block from down below, and you're going to play it 4 times in a row about this speed. Ready, set, 4 times, go. That was a good first practice. Let's try it one more time so we can get the feel of what those patterns are doing. And here you go. Perfect. Let's make this a little bit more interesting by adding an ending to it. So the ending is going to be low, mi, low. Can you show that to me? Low, mi, low. Yeah. And that's going to go at the end. So what you're really going to do is you are going to play your idea 3 times and then end with low, mi, low. For example, if I chose the purple one, my song would go like this. Mi, so, la, so, mi, so, la, so, mi, so, la, so, low, mi, low. Okay? So let's try that. 1 and 3 times through. Bum, da, dee, da, dum, da, dee, da, da, da. Here comes now. Low, mi, low. Great. Hey, let's do it one more time before we write down this rough draft. Okay, so got your objects, got your block, you got your ending. And here we go. Da, 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 bum, 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 low, mi, low. Excellent. So now grab your writing stuff. I'm going to use my whiteboard. Oh, but my marker ran away. Hold, please. Got it. Okay. So on your whiteboard, I want you to make those 4 boxes. 1 line down the middle, 1 line like that. Okay. And then, okay, so we've got our idea that we just practiced. Okay, so we got that. I chose the purple one, so I'm going to write down my purple one. Mi, so, la, so. But you write down whichever one you chose and put it in that first box. Okay, so I'm going to make your job super easy. In the next box, you're going to do the exact same thing. And then in the third box, you're going to do the exact same thing. And then in the last box, like it says on the screen there, you're going to go low, mi, low. So by the end, you should have all 4 boxes filled up. A, and then B for our ending. Low, mi, low, boom. It's okay if you're not done yet. I just went super fast so that I can show you and then you can have time to work on it. All right, so now that you have that written down, go back to your 5 objects. If you need to pause it to keep writing it, go for it and then come back when you're all ready. But go back to those 5 objects. Where's my drum? Here it is. And let's have you play what you wrote down, okay? So, ready? Here you go. Awesome. So now your assignment in Seesaw is to do the normal thing. You take a picture of your whiteboard so I can see what you did. And then you're going to use that virtual xylophone again to play your song because I want to hear how you sound. Sing it, play it at the same time because your voice always goes along with that instrument to help grow your voice and grow your ears. All right? Okay, friends, if you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email. Send me a message on Seesaw. I am here to help you if you need help. So please get in touch with me and make sure that work is getting done. All right? I'm missing you all, and I'm hoping you're having a good week. See you next time.